Okay, hikers, this kind of dovetail. I just did a video, but I'm still shooting for Colorado, 14,000 feet, August 28th or 29th, depending on the weather. Just checked Expedia, it's $150, and I pushed the dates out, and that's cheap. I'm gonna try to reserve a ticket. Still going up, and here's the rules for the thing to Colorado. I'm planning to do Gray's Peak and Torrey's Peak, and flying into Denver would be the fastest way. Then from Denver you head to find Gray's Peak, Torrey's Peak. It's about an hour and a half to get to the base camp. Well, there is a base camp at Gray's Peak, but I think it's first come first serve. Have not been able to find Colorado's state-run institution that will help with campsites, but honestly there are a whole bunch of hotels in the area. Dillon, Colorado is down the street. Nice hotels. There's also winter ski lodges that are empty, probably in August, so you might be able to find a bed and breakfast. But if we plan on being at the trailhead of Gray's Peak by the morning, and I'll get more details later, then that'd be good. It takes half an hour just to get to the dirt road full of potholes. So when you reserve a truck or a car, make sure it's four-wheel drive in case you run into rain previous nights. If it's raining, we're probably not going to go up. However, let's just say a prayer that it doesn't rain. So four-wheel drive, round-trip ticket. Most likely I'll be touching base or landing on the 27th and leaving on the Monday. So 27th, I believe, of August is Thursday, I believe, and then staying overnight. I stay a couple nights just to play around with the weather. So if there's a rainy day, and usually it rains or clouds roll in about 3 o'clock, so we have to get to trailhead early and be summiting at lunchtime or before, because once we summit Gray's Peak, there's an edge you can walk that'll take you to Torrey's Peak. You can do two 14,000 foot hikes in one hike. So something cool to accomplish. And then at the base of that, I found a nice restaurant that serves Thai food and hopefully be open. So get ready, but because it's going to be a little scattered and I'm getting to the top, I don't care what. I missed it by 20 or 40 feet last time. Because it's going to be scattered, I suggest that if you're coming, come with a partner. You have to come with a partner that trains with you or goes about your speed. If you don't have a partner, probably can't go. I can't have my friends, family, patients, clients hiking on their own. So find somebody. We'll be doing once a month, probably here in Swallow Cliff or in Blackwell, and we'll be training. So I think it'll be worth it to at least once a month, but if you can, every weekend. Hopefully, if you do not have an injury, then we'll be talking sooner after it gets to summer, when all this corona stuff is over, about narrowing down the training. So you have to get used to cardiovascular, and you also have to get used to incline. So I was going down in my previous video. The stairs at Swallow Cliff are pretty good for challenging you if you're short of breath or you don't have any quad endurance. It'll get you there. I got a lot of people here just running the stairs. I put a backpack on and I just walk them, but that's the closest we have to any kind of training for upward movement. So you can probably use a stair stepper in your gym, get on a treadmill, get on a bike, but you will have to eventually switch over to incline movement. Just be careful with your knees. So I'll post as we go closer to the summer. Once this COVID thing is a little bit calmed down, please get out, watch your social distancing, see my previous video, stay safe, and we'll all make it past this challenge of 2020. See you on trail.